Hey, I just spent $147 on free ad secrets and their AI marketing tools. So maybe you don't have to. Maybe, or maybe you will.
Live's just been recognised for.
Okay, guys. So if you don't know what free ad secrets is, there's a business that's been around for a long time called the Power Lead System, and it used to kind of be the top. It was up there, and it did, well, it still does sales funnels, and you could create pages and things with it. Contact manager built in, good stuff like that. But it kind of got a little old-fashioned, I guess. And then was it last year or towards the end of the year before they actually brought in AI, and they have AI follow-up from a product that is $7. So like, I'll leave a link or flash it up on the screen. But if you go to leverage-this-system.com, you can actually get their lead lightning product for just $7, and that's one time, right? So $7 one-time thing, and you can promote any other business with it as well. And one of the upsells is this thing called free ad secrets. Now, I've been in lead lightning for a long time, and it's part of a company called the Power Lead System, as I say. And I haven't really kind of gone through the free ad secrets upsell. So we're going to do that today, and I'm going to show you because I've been looking and I'm actually quite impressed. Spoiler alert, I'm quite impressed, especially what you're going to see in this video. So stick with me, like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. I have to say that. Right. So if I share my screen, I can show you. Okay. Okay, so here's the product, and you actually get, there's an MP3 of this, the book, so you can get the PDF book, you get the MP3 for that. There's a couple of other bonuses. I'll leave those as a surprise for you when you purchase this yourself. What I'm more interested in are these things here, your free ad secret GPT, the Pro Copywriter SPARK GPT. In particular, though, these GPTs up here, these custom made ones. So first of all, let's just go through this one. And what I'll do is I think I'll probably save the best till last, right? So if you want to flick through to the end, go ahead. That's cool. So a guy called Jeff Mills has put all these together, and he was kind of into AI before we, as online marketers and network marketers, were all into AI. So what I'll do with this one, to show you what it does, because I don't want this to be boring. I'm going to keep this on track, and I want to get to the good stuff. Um, so this ChatGPT is basically your coach to help you put what's in that book about driving leads and traffic to your websites. This is your coach that helps you get all this together, right, and make it work. So you can, understand the principles in the book, ask questions to clarify, give examples, breakdowns, decisions. It does not write ads for you, create avatars like your perfect customer, and so on and so on, right? But I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we just come back here, some of the things I will say are negative, right? This is a negative. The PDF is great, but it talks about, looks like I've got to scroll up. It talks about, guys, by the way, I don't do slick production. I'm just real. Hopefully you appreciate that fact, right? So it talks about, for example, well, co-ops, and yeah, co-ops are great. Okay, but they cost money. So it explains that there in great detail, don't get me wrong. Then it talks about joint ventures. Well, one of the things with joint ventures is the average person watching this video is not going to be able to do a joint venture because you probably don't have a massive list yourself. You don't have anything to do. I've been online years, guys. I don't have a massive list, so it's probably not that good for me. But webinars, stay tuned for webinars because I think there is a huge opportunity with what I've learned for this. So, but then it goes on, it talks about LinkedIn, things that are a bit more acceptable, but a little bit of a negative there. I would say some of those are kind of hard to do unless you've already got like a following, right? So I just want to be upfront with you and honest. So then you've got the coach that helps you put that into action, though, the things that are good. The Spark kit, still not the best thing. Bear with me another minute, guys. I'm going to get to it good. So, but if you promote online, this is a great format, great formula to use to understand how to make your videos work, your posts work if you promote an affiliate marketing company, a network marketing company. So Spark is struggle and pain, pushback and objections, advantage and benefit, results and proof, and then kickers and hooks. I'll admit at the minute I'm not really following this. It's been a great reminder for me I might actually start integrating this, and I'm going to show you how you can make it easy. So that's kind of what you get there. You get like you get a book, you get a guide, how to generate traffic with various methods. You get a coach to help you do it all, and then you get a copywriting method to help you use this proven formula, Spark. It's really good, and like it says here, look, it taps deep into your prospect psychology using time-tested persuasion principles enhanced by AI. So as promised, we're going to get to the meaty stuff now. We're going to get to what I like the most, and that's these GPTs, right? So there are 7 of them. How to go viral speaks for itself. No point me showing you that one. The Spark Copywriter, we've kind of just been over that one. The Spark Megavolt for ad ideas, really, really good, right? Now I want to show you, Free Ad Secrets is about the book. The Post Swap Copywriter, again, a criticism is maybe, unless you've got other people that you sort of pally with to swap and collaborate posts and things, maybe not the hottest one on here. And let me give you the 2 that are amazing. So one, the Webinar Writer. Okay, so the Webinar Writer here will actually use the Spark method to give you a complete webinar. So I want to make a webinar. Let's suppose you're in a health and wellness company about vitamins. Right. I'm going to keep it very broad. I'm not going to mention any company or anything. Right. So now it's going to ask you these 6 questions, so it can go and it can create a whole webinar script for you. And then you could use AI to create the webinar. You could record it yourself, whatever you want to do. So number 1, it will help you make a webinar. And then when you come back here, oh look, webinar traffic coach. Now this, I think, has massive, massive potential. I'm going to be testing it, so keep an eye on my channel because I'll share the results. Right. Right. So how does this ChatGPT work? Right. You want to get traffic, so it will help you post your webinar on the top free event platforms, right? Now, it can't actually go and post for you. I've tried using some of these AI agents, and they're just not there yet, because they create their own browser, and then it doesn't, you still have to sometimes, accept login. Too many requests. Right, anyway, but it will guide you through very simply. I've tested a couple. It'll guide you through all of the places you can go and list your webinar for free to go and get traffic. It will walk you through it. It avoids common mistakes. It will help you track what's working and show you how to set up links so you can track which bit is working for you. If you've got your own list, great. Okay, but then it will also help you write the copy, what to put on those forms. So I would say if you're looking to drive traffic, Free Ad Secrets is pretty good. It does talk a little bit in one of these I saw about paid, because paid gives you speed. So free is fantastic and it creates a pipeline, but you can't always put some stuff out today, especially with the algorithms the way they are now. You can't put stuff out today and expect any free AI marketing tool even, to come and get you a lot of traffic. And I think a lot of people that say they do that are lying, in my experience. I've tested a few. I want to test some more. But if you are looking for traffic, those ChatGPTs, guys, if you struggle to think what to write, if you struggle where to know to get leads, if you struggle with just knowing what to do, I would suggest you check out Free Ad Secrets. It's really good. All right, catch you later.